Okay, so this is how we're going to find out. Production in the first year was 550, 10th year was 775, and then total production in first 7 years using the formula SN found out as 4375. Okay, now any queries so far, anything that is not understood, any questions that you have tried to solve from exercise 5.3 which you are not getting, because we have finished with this chapter. Okay, unless of course you have queries, we are going to do those things. So इसमें जो भी doubt queries है please पूछो. Repeatedly I'm telling you the same thing. Ask your queries, ask your questions. Exercise 5.3 में किसी को कोई doubt है, of course I know आप लोगों ने सब sums नहीं किए होंगे, लेकिन जो भी किए हैं उसमें अगर कुछ doubt है तो please पूछो. Otherwise then we are going to do the exercise 5.3 का first we'll begin with the last sum, that is the 20th sum. In a potato race, a bucket is placed at the starting point, which is 5 meters. Those of you who have your textbook can check it, page number 114. Those who do not have the textbook, I've already sent you the image. Okay, so I will read the question for you so that things become a little easier. ये सबका हो चुका है. So let's understand the next question that we are going to solve. Okay, if you have the textbook, please open to page number 114, question number 20. Page number 114, question number 20. That's the last question of exercise 5.3. Last question of exercise 5.3. In a potato race, a bucket is placed at the starting point. A bucket is placed at the starting point, which is 5 meters from the first potato. In the potato race, a bucket is placed at the starting point, which is 5 meters from the first potato, and the other potatoes are placed 3 meters apart. And the other potatoes are placed 3 meters apart. Do all of you have your textbook with you? Can you read this question, or do I have to read it and explain it? How many of you have the question in front of you? Riza, do you have the book question in front of you? Zaki, Ahad, do you have the question in front of you? Zaki and Abdullah, do you have the question in front of you? Okay, so all of you have that question, so it's easier. Then I'll just read it further. Okay, they've shown you that diagram. पहले bucket है, उसके बाद में first meter पे 5 meters पे पहला potato है. Second is another 3 meters after that, then 3, then 3, then 3, and so on. A competitor starts from the bucket, picks up the nearest potato, runs back with it, drops it in the bucket, runs back to pick up the next potato, runs back to the bucket to drop it, then picks up the next potato, again drop it, till such time that it is done. What is the total distance the competitor has to run? What is the total distance the competitor has to run? Okay, so let's understand. This is a bucket. At 5 meters, there is one potato. At 3 meters, another potato. At 3 meters, another potato. Like that, there are 10 potatoes. Okay. So first, the person will start from here, come up till here, pick up this potato, come back. For this, we'll come up till here. So each time, whatever is this distance, उसका double उसको travel करना पड़ रहा है. Like first time, since this was 5, he was coming up till here and coming back. That means this was 10 total. सेकेंड टाइम में ये 3 है, 5 प्लस 3 8, 8 प्लस 8 16. फिर यहां पर अगेन 3 है, दैट मीन्स 11 22. So like that the distance is increasing. Okay, like that the distance is increasing. Is that clear? So what is it? If I were to write it in form of an arithmetic progression, it is 2 times whatever was the distance. Then in this case, it is 2 times into bracket 5 plus 3, isn't it? Then the next one was 2 times 5 plus 6 and so on up to 10 it is going to go. Up to 10 it is going to go like that. So if I were to write this, the distance for the first potato, A would be 10 kilometers, A2 would be 16 kilometers, A3 would be 22 kilometers, and so on. So from this, I would know A equals to 10 and D equals to 6. A equals to 10 and D equals to 6. A equals to 10 and D equals to 6. Till you clear? What is A and D? How we have got that? Okay. So we've got, now what they have asked us is, what is the total distance? That means the distance that is going to be traveled, that is, since there are 10 potatoes, this is what you have to find out. S10. Okay, what is S10? So now, since we know what these values are, all you have to do is just substitute. सिर्फ वो values मिलने तक का ये था, बाद में it is simple substitution. So let's see, what is the formula? Sn equals to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1. N is A, we have found out as 10. 10 minus 1 and D is 6. 10 upon 2 is 5. 2 into 10 is 20. 10 minus 1 is 9 into 20 plus 5 into 74. Not kilometers, meters, sorry. 320 meters. Okay, so the distance 5 and back, 8 and back, 11 and back, okay, and so on and so forth, 14 and back. ये 10 बार जब वो उठाकर वापस जब वो कॉम्पिटिटर बकेट के पास आएगा, आफ्टर कलेक्टिंग ऑल द 10 potatoes, that person would have traveled or run a distance of 320 meters. Are we clear with this? Though it looks very difficult कि अरे कितना बड़ा सम है, कितना ये है, when you solve it, it is so simple. कुछ भी नहीं था इसमें. All you need to identify is what is A, what is D, what is N, and what you have to find out. AN ढूंढना है या SN ढूंढना है. अगर वो आपको पता है तो सिर्फ फॉर्मूला में सब्स्टिट्यूट करोगे तो you will get your answers. Sorry, this is not 320. Nobody told me. Sir, ये mistake है. 5 4s are 20, but 5 7s is 35. 35 plus 2 plus 370 meters, not 320 meters. That means you all are just blindly copying. Nobody is checking. Done? Okay. Then the one before that, 19th sum. Look at that. That log sum. 200 logs are stacked in the following manner. 20 logs in the bottom row, 19 in the next row, 18 in the row next to it, and so on. मतलब सबसे नीचे की जो लाइन है उसमें 20 लकड़ियां रखी हुई है, उसके ऊपर 19 रखे हुए हैं, उसके ऊपर 18, 17, 16, so on. In how many rows are the 200 logs placed and how many logs are in the top row? मतलब total logs लकड़ी के जो है वो 200 है. टोटल लॉग्स लकड़ी के 200 है. सो कितने लाइन में है? नीचे 20 है, फिर 19 है, फिर 18 है. तो कब तक रखते जाएंगे जब वो 200 कंप्लीट होंगे? और जो भी रो नंबर है, 5th है, 7th है, 11th है, वो रो के अंदर कितने लॉग्स है? दैट इज व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन. आर वी क्लियर? सो टोटल लॉग्स दे हैव गिवन यू. टोटल लॉग्स कितने हैं? 200. सबसे पहले रो में कितने हैं? 20 है. उसके बाद वाले में 19 है. उसके बाद वाले में 18 है. So the question is simple. See if you can write what is A, B, what is to be found out, what is given without seeing what I am writing. अगर आप खुद से कर सकते हैं, चेक कर लो. So whatever I can understand from the question that is given, these are the things. A1 is 20, सबसे नीचे वाले रो में 20 है. A2 is 19, A3 is 18. सबसे लास्ट रो में कितने लॉग्स रहेंगे ये पूछा है. सो दे डू नॉट नो. AN कितना है वो ढूंढना है. कितने रोज रहेंगे ये भी पूछा है, सो वो भी पता नहीं है, तो N भी ढूंढना है. AN ढूंढना है, N ढूंढना है. SN टोटल नंबर ऑफ लॉग्स वो दिया हुआ है 200 है. दिस इज व्हाट इज गिवन. Now from this I can also find D. How much is D, Zaki? How much is D? Abdul Ahad, how much is D? Zaki, Abdul Ahad, how much is D? Yes, Zaki, how much is D? The formula for D is A2 minus A1. Formula for D is A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2. Second term minus first term, third term minus second term, fourth term minus third term. That is what is how you are going to find D. Yes, Zaki. कितना है? A2 कितना है? 19. 19 minus 1. 19 minus 20. How much is 19 minus 20? 19 minus 20 and 18 minus 19. You just have to calculate that. That's all. There's nothing else that you need to do. So 19 minus 20 or 18 minus 19 is minus 1. It is minus 1. Okay. Zaki, is this clear? This is how you are going to find out. 19 minus 20. 18 minus 90. That is minus 1. So once we know that, what is the formula for Sn? N upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 d. 2a plus n minus 1 d. Substitute Sn, that is 200. n ढूंढना है, पता नहीं है. 2 a कितना है? 20. n पता नहीं है और d कितना है? माइनस. 2 into 200 is n into bracket 40 minus n plus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. Minus 1 into n is minus n. 400 equals to 40. 40 plus 1 is 41 into n is 41 n. n into n is n square. n into n is n square. Bring all of this side. So you will have n square minus 41 n plus 400 equal to 0. Minus 41n plus 400 equal to 0. Now you have to find factors of 400 which when added give you minus 41. So what are the factors of 400 which when added give you minus 41? इसके फैक्टर्स चाहिए जो मुझे minus 41 देंगे. Yes, anyone? Factors of 400 which give me minus 41. To find a combination of these factors. How much is 16 into 25? How much is 16 into 25? Check that out. 400. 16 into 25. So 16 into 25 will give me 400 and 16 plus 25 will give me 41. But I want minus 41. So I'll say n square minus 16n minus 25n plus 400 equal to minus 16n minus 25. From this, n is common, n minus 16. This n has come out. From this square, one n has come out. We're going to do this. We have already done this in 9th standard factorization, but in this year, we are going to do this specifically these kind of examples in quadratic equation, as I explained last time, 4th chapter. So we will be doing that in more detail. From this, 25 is common, so minus sign as it is 25. Since 25 has come out, n remains. Since there is a minus sign outside, sign inside has to change. A plus tha becomes minus. 400 divided by 25 is 16. So n minus 16 is common. So write it once. And n minus 25. N minus 16 and n minus 25. Okay. So we'll have, since product of two numbers is 0, one of the two numbers has to be 0. So n minus 16 is equal to 0 or n minus 25 equal to n equal to 16 or n equals to 25. N equals to 16 or n equals to 25. Till here, are we clear? Just check this, understand. If not understood anything, please ask. So we have got two values of n over here. Now two values is not possible. Okay. Why is it not possible? Because when you go to the 16th row, okay, that time itself, okay, 16 rows, if you put one on top of the other, there itself you will get that the number of logs become 200. Even at 25th row it becomes 200, but when you check for the 25th row, A25 will come as minus 4. A25 will come as minus 4. Now you cannot put minus 4 logs on the row. You can have 1 log, you can have 2 logs, 4 logs, 5 logs. You can't have minus 4 logs. So that's why n equal to 25 is not to be accepted. Okay, because if we put n equal to 25, A25 becomes minus 4, which is not possible. A25 becomes minus 4, which is not possible. You can't have minus 4 logs. Therefore, n equals to 16. That is, there are 16 rows. That is, there are 16 rows. Then the next question is, how many logs are there in the 16th row? So A16 equals to A plus 16 minus 1 into, which is 20 plus 15 into minus 1, which is 20 minus 15, which is 5. That is, therefore, there are 5 logs in the 16th or the top row, the topmost row, which will be 16 rows. There are 5 logs in that. Are we clear with this? Please copy this. Anything not understood, please ask. So, जो homework दिया था उसमें से 2 सम तो मैंने ही कर दिए यहाँ पर, है ना, पीछे के 2, which was supposedly difficult. So now you just have to do 18 sums. उसमें से of course some you were supposed to do the first 10 yesterday. So balance 8 sums you are going to do, plus वो जो optional है वो भी try करो. नहीं आता है, let me know. I know the optional is not there from your exam point of view, but for our practice, we are going to do even the optional one. Okay. If you have some difficulty, you can ask about that optional one also. Please copy this. And any doubts, any queries, anything till here so far, please ask. ये exercise में से कोई sum नहीं आ रहा है, please ask. If no doubts, when we meet on Saturday, then we will start with a new chapter. Most probably we'll begin with the first chapter, okay, because it's been done in Sinhagad, Kihan. So we are going to do that chapter, first chapter. If you all have no doubts, then. Any queries, anybody? Riza, Zaki, Abdul Ahad, whatever we have done so far, is that understood? या इसमें कोई questions है, कुछ समझा नहीं समझा है तो please पूछो. Do not hesitate. Again I am repeating, do not hesitate, पूछो. है कोई question? किसी को भी? Or should we finish this over here today? If you have no doubts, then we will wind up today. अगर कुछ है तो we will solve that. So any queries, anybody? किसी को भी नहीं है? Should we finish this session then? Next session, that is on Saturday, day after. If you all have any difficulties, any doubts in exercise 5.3 or 5.4, for that matter, any exercise in the 5th chapter, we will address that. Really keeping it first part, we'll give to problem solving or solving your difficulties, addressing your queries. If you don't have any queries, we'll start with inshallah the first chapter, okay, which is also a continuation of what you have done in 9th. Real numbers is what we are going to do if you don't have any difficulties or after we finish your difficulties. ठीक है? All the best. Solve the exercise. Bye.